is Jenny and welcome to this Yoga Nidra practice. This guided meditation will be relatively short because I know from my own experience that it can feel quite challenging to stay focused and calm with the ADHD brain. So let's start small and please listen to your body. If you feel the need to move or adjust throughout the practice, know that this is completely fine. Trust yourself in this process and allow this journey to unfold in divine timing. So please try to be patient and compassionate with yourself. I know this isn't always easy, but maybe you can be a little bit more patient today than you were yesterday. Just give it a try, and before we dive into this practice, make sure that you won't be interrupted. Perhaps you might like to go to the bathroom or have a sip of water. Maybe turn off the notifications on your phone. You might also like to grab some headphones or an eye mask. Just pause this recording if you need more time. And then whenever you're ready, it's best to lie down for this practice if this feels okay for you. And make sure that your body is in a comfortable position. Maybe you would like to use some props like blankets and pillows to ensure that your body is warm and can fully relax. Is there anything you could do to get 1 or maybe even 5% more comfortable? And if you found a good position and if it feels safe to you, close down your eyes and let's take a few breaths together to tell your body that it's safe to relax, that there's nothing else to do and nowhere else to be, just here in this very moment. So I'll introduce you to the Dirgha breath. It's a simple tool that calms down your whole nervous system. For that you might like to place your right hand on your belly and the left hand on your chest. And then the next breath, inhaling into the belly, feeling how it expands and your right hand is moving. And then exhaling, breathing into the belly, feeling your hand moving up. And exhaling and moving down. Like the waves of the sea, inhaling into the belly. And exhaling fully, letting it go. Now inhaling into the belly, then into the ribs, feeling them expanding to the sides, and exhaling maybe with a sigh. Inhaling into the belly, and the ribs, and exhaling. One more time, breathing into the belly. Rib cage, feeling the ribs expanding and exhaling, breathing again into the belly, the ribs, taking one more sip of air into the chest, feeling your left hand moving up and exhaling, allowing the air to leave all 3 chambers, inhaling into the belly, the ribs and your chest. And exhaling, letting it go. One more time, breathing into the belly, the ribs, the chest, and exhaling fully, maybe with a sigh, feeling all the tension melting away, just returning to your natural breath without trying to change or control it. Now let's set an intention for today's practice. Yoga Nidra, we also call this the Sankalpa. Maybe you're already working with one. If not, you might like to use the following intention. I am safe in my body and in this moment. Mentally whispering it 3 times. Your Sankalpa is like a seed that you just planted to your heart, and with time and practice it can grow into a beautiful flower, blossoming and giving rise to safety, trust and peace. So let's nourish the seed that we just planted to your heart, allowing your awareness to rest there for a little moment, imagining green light shining bright in your heart and radiating with each and every breath, each and every heartbeat, expanding all around you, your whole body from one spot to the next as I name the body part. Sensing your left shoulder, upper arm, elbow, forearm, wrist, palm of the hand, and all 5 fingers of the left hand, the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Back to the heart center, right chest, shoulder, upper arm, right elbow, forearm, wrist, palm of the right hand, and all 5 fingers, the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Back to the chest, awareness moving down your spine, to your lower back and hips, sensing the right hip, upper thigh, knee, calf, ankle, sole of the foot, top of the right foot, and all 5 toes. Awareness moving back up to the right hip, pelvis, left hip, upper thigh, knee, calf, ankle, sole of the left foot, top of the foot, and all 5 toes. Awareness moving back to the left hip, sensing both hips, belly and chest, throat, jaw, mouth, gum, tongue, both nostrils to left and the right nostril, tip of the nose, both ears, left and right ear, listening, and both eyes, left eye and right eye, and the space behind your eyes, the mind's eye, crown of your head, back of your head, neck, chest, and the whole left side of your body, whole left side, and sensing the whole right side of your body, the whole right side. Now both sides together, left and right, as a unified field of sensation. your whole body radiant, alive, trillions of cells nourished by your breath. Your whole body just witnessing the natural flow of air in and out, rise and fall of your chest with each and every breath. Can you imagine inhaling through the tips of your left fingers, nourishing your heart, life force energy, and then exhaling through the right arm, the right fingers, inhaling through the left fingers, energy nourishing your heart, green light flowing out of your right hand again as you exhale, inhaling the right fingers, green light nourishing your heart, exhaling, repeating this in your own pace. And then just letting it go and counting down with each exhalation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mentally whispering your Sankalpa 3 times. I am safe in my body and in this moment. And starting to sense your breath, becoming aware of your body and space, becoming aware of the borders between your body and your room. Slowly starting to awaken the body very slowly and gently, maybe like to wiggle your toes and fingers, maybe yawn or stretch, taking all the time you need. There's no need to rush. Just allow yourself to wake up in your own divine timing. You might also like to make some space for integration. You'd like to journal or spend some time in nature instead, grabbing your phone instantly. Just taking a moment to thank yourself for showing up, for practicing and taking this time for yourself. And I also thank you so much for joining me. No, it's not always easy with the ADHD brain, but with time and practice we can rewire it and create change. I'm so happy that you're joining me for this journey, and hope you found this practice helpful. I would love to hear from you in the comments, and if you would like more practices like this, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out, and can't wait to see you very soon, to practice together again. Hope you're having a good rest of the day or night. And may you be happy, healthy, and at peace. I'm sending lots of love and sunshine from Greece. See you very soon, Jenni.